Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and we do have a special video for you today. Now, I've picked a ton of different color combinations for this channel. Gabe has, and even you guys have. Today we're doing something different. Today we have a special guest picking a color combination for today's experiment. And that man is Riff Raff, Jody Highroller himself. Now you may ask, why are we having Riff Raff pick the colors for our next video? And the only response is, why not?
Dead End Tony Sports Talk 2020. We got some information here. Shout out to Dip Your Car. Got some new information I'm supposed to just forecast. So they sent me some colors. Here we go. Should be interesting. List one: safety cone orange, fuchsia pink, grabber blue, sulfur yellow. Let's go. Safety cone orange. The first pick. Next pick, let's go. Wait a second, let me switch up that first one. All right, let's go sulfur yellow and then Hawaiian coral. That's nice, let's do it. Yeah, I know those colors too. It's like a nice neon watermelon and that sulfur yellow. I hope that's a neon tennis yellow. Let's go safety highlighter yellow. Like that safety highlighter tennis ball yellow. Something like this, actually. Got a damn pillow right here, something like that.
So you heard him. The man wants sulfur yellow with Hawaiian coral on top. We've got an avalanche gray base to start with like usual. We're gonna drop that sulfur yellow, move to the Hawaiian coral. Enjoy the video. We're all done with today's project. Now, if you know anything about Riff Raff, you know that he is a man who's very familiar with unique, bright color combinations. He's really got that locked down. So I was hoping when we worked with him on this project, we would end up with a bright, unique color combo. And that's exactly what we got. We're gonna go outside here in just a second. I wanna thank Riff Raff for participating in today's video. If you wanna dip your own car, we have a ton of colors to choose from. Click right up here, it'll bring you to all of our car kits. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next video.
Yama Music
Actually. Oh, actually got a damn GT dyno right here. It's that type of yellow, and then a frickin' that coral, Hawaiian coral, damn Tony Wings of America.